Hi friends, welcome to Fantastic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Rubik's Cube. Your Rubik's Cube is broken, means you can how to fix that. Okay, first we can broke the cube. Okay, now I have broken the cube. Now you have like this, like a plus you have, take it. Okay, now white should be up. Okay, white should be up. Now we want to do these pieces. Okay, for this now we want white orange. Okay, white orange. Oh, here the piece should be like this. Okay, like this. Now we can fix it. For fixing, keep the cube, take the piece and keep it like this, rotate and rotate this side, match. Okay, that's all. Do it for all. I'm doing for all. Now we want white, blue. Sorry, I have fitted wrongly. Okay. Okay, last piece, red, white, red. Here's the piece. So do it like that. Okay, we have like white plus. Now rotate the cube and yellow should be up, white should be down. Now we want to fix first layer. Okay, first layer, here we have blue, red and white, down white. So search for that piece. Now we have this piece. So blue, red and down white. So blue should be here and red, white should be down. Just put it in. That's all. For do it this for 4 corners. One corner we have finished. Now another corner I'm doing that. Okay, we have finished the first layer. For second layer is also like this only, but this should be like this. That's only I'm doing. See, now we want blue, red. So blue, red is here. So keep it like this and you will have like this. So put it inside. Okay, press it, that will go inside. Now orange also, all color also like that. Okay, we have this piece. Now orange blue here. Now green, red. Now, yes, here the piece. Yes, we solved 2 layers. Now same like we have done in plus, no, in the white. Same do it in yellow also. Yellow, blue. Yellow, blue. Yellow, blue. Yes, it is. Keep it like this and turn it. In this, keep it like this, and when you're turning, press, okay, press and insert it. Like this, we want to do orange, all colors, okay. Okay, we'll have this piece. So insert it. Okay, orange we have here. Okay, now last piece, it is here. Okay, okay, we are solved like this. Yellow plus. Now corners, same like this we do in first layer, no. Now we want blue, red, yellow. Here's the piece. Keep it like this. Please do it like this. Okay, do it like this and do. Do it like this and press. Okay, in this cap. Do it all colors same like this. For the last piece, that will be hard to do. Okay, hard to do. Last piece cannot do. For this, remove this piece. This piece allow, remove this and insert this one. Now keep it like this and green. This piece should insert. Okay, it should be keep it inside. Okay, inside, and here press it. That's all. Like this only you want to fix the cube. The cube is very loose, means here no, here this cap alone open and tight the screw. Okay, that's all. You like this video means please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Thank you friends. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.